Sorry.
Nigga, what's good? We in front of everybody. No, it's out of respect for your mother. Respect for your mother.
Motherfucker, what?
Mother flut pucker and what? Your liquor.
You are gay, guy.
No, it's Orbit commercial. I don't curse. Trick.
A bitch, you were still
What?
cursing earlier.
Trash.
I don't curse, asshole.
Yeah, I don't curse.
Fuck off.
Stop acting like a jackass.
You need to stop acting like a
For real,
donkey.
then come see me then.
Yeah. Your tank top's ripping.
Come out and
I told
stomp
you
on
stop
your
wearing.
face.
I told you to stop.
What's good? What's good? What's good?
Shit.
In your face. What's good? What's good? I'm in your face. It's like, bro, you my nigga, peace.
Nah.
Now you shut up, bitch.
Is that Ella? Is that Ella?
Yeah.
I knew that was her. Ain't nobody got a car like her.
Why are you standing outside?
It's a full of things. You're going the wrong way on the track, bitch.
Hey, you missed it. I just whooped Silla's ass.
That's why he's standing over there.
Yeah, South End did it, nigga. South End did
You ain't even
it,
from the South
nigga.
End.
South End.
You ain't from the South
I'm from
End.
the South
It was
End.
for you from Federal Way.
Hey, I just moved out the ghetto. You can't take the ghetto out of me.
Now he's ghetto. Now he's ghetto. Now you're ghetto.
Come around, you ratchet asshole.
I got your house. Wait, that's all you date is hoes.
Oh, like that? You want to get personal though? You want to get personal though? You lucky. I got respect for your mother. Cause I gonna lay your stuff out there, boo.
You ain't even got shit, nigga.
I gonna lay your stuff out there, boo.
It's like, ooh.
It's like food though. Come pick me up.
Yeah, come pick him up. He about to end up on the street.
Come pick me up. Sil's about to be 6 feet underground.
I'll help you.
Oh, thank you. Now what, Trey? You better be scared now.
I ain't never scared, nigga. Why, so, why, because you got Blackie coming?
Yeah?
What?
She's about to pounce on you. Now what? You pounce in? Pounce on you,
Man,
nigga.
you were just fobbing out over there.
Pounce on you. What you see on? You go sleep. You're not going nowhere.
You look like a respect for your mother.
Motherfucker.
No, it's too cold out here. Come on.
You look like my dad's your mom's sister.
Your dad? Your mom's sister? Your dad's mom's sister?
Your mom is my dad's brother. I mean, your mom is my dad's sister.
And your point is?
That's why I ain't gonna whoop her ass.
You ain't never whooped anybody's ass.
What's good?
Come on.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Come see her down there. Come down there.
I can take you up here and I can take that bitch down there in her own way.
You're right, bitch. You got me fucked.
All y'all bitches do. Talk shit in the car and bounce.
Hey, wait, I need a ride. She left me hanging.
She pounced on you.
Let's remember, nigga, you're my sister. You should be beating her ass.
I pounced back.
Look, I don't need nobody. Look, you may be that little big nigga in West Seattle, nigga, but we in SeaTac right now.
What?
Yeah.
You joke.
Nigga, we're in Tukwila right now.
Fuck.
Okay, replay. Look, you may be a big nigga in West Seattle, but we in... What, nigga? Jump off, nigga! Jump off, nigga! Jump off!
I'm gonna get you.
Ratchet asshole! Oh, sorry. I told you I'll never hit a girl. Y'all took the hell out of me. Trig.
I just had you in a headlock.
No, you didn't, Trig. You had me under your armpit.
The headlock, stupid.
What's good? You're lucky I was hot.
Fucking faggot.
What's good? You're talking behind my back. I was in your face.
When you come, just stand here.
Hello, Mike.
Come on here.
No, you come right here.
If I come right there, don't move.
If I come right there, don't move. Sorry, your brother's not happy with you.
Come on here. Come on.
You ready for it,
I see your wretched ass recording. That's what you do for practice. You go teach Tacoma. You come teach us yours. What? What are you staring at?
At you, bitch.
Come on in, Trick.
Okay, hold
Look at
on.
no touch, man.
Because I'm slipping off my shoes.
Take it off. I'll take them off for you.
Go hit this shit. Why you keep running to the street? I tell you, if I come right here, don't
I'm
move.
gonna fight on the street.
I'm gonna find you some shoes.
You about to get your ass whooped.
I think we just start walking. Start walking. Me and Ella, she's at a drive-thru. Yeah.
Why are you picking up? I don't want to waste my time. You're already confused. You don't even know what the fuck you are. Alright, since you're standing there, put your thumb out.
Send me the hell home.